he's reversing.
Denied, denied, denied. Denied, 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 denied.
Six punch.
Come on, mate. Sorry, I was just.
No, mate, you do it all the time, innit? Six punch, 200 quid.
Yeah, go. So, I just had to wait. Yeah.
Well, nothing, mate, no. Unlucky.
Wow. What the hell do you think you're doing?
The world has given us your fucking knobheads! As, given... Not gonna be a favour, are you? Wanker! Fucking hell, turn your lights on! Where the fuck are you going? Fuck me, mate! You're a fucking lame! This is hard work. Fuck off, you fucking prick! You are as well, aren't you? You fucking donkey cock. Jesus Christ! Doing you stupid wanker! What are you doing? Get off your fucking phone! This was the exact same gun that the kidnappers photographed and emailed to the sensitive party. Needs to be at last. Sorry, son. All streets closed. Give way coming up a hill! Up a hill gets priority! Prick! Skip way coming up a hill. Skip way coming up. That person behind in front of us has got their lights on. Fuck me, you moron! Christ! Turn your lights on, you fucking prick face. I'm not flashing you for my... There we go. No, that's probably just as bright.
What do you need to tell me? I told her, not gonna. That guy's on his phone behind me. You know what? He's actually driving holding his phone. He's holding his phone. It's blatant as it is. That's fucking bad, that is, mate. I'm going to bring my dash cam.